Each team was assigned the task of preparing a meal, using only the available ingredients provided to them. This activity tested not only their survival instincts, but also their creativity, cooperation, planning, and leadership abilities. Every team member had to contribute. Some gathered materials, some prepared the ingredients, and others coordinated the cooking process while ensuring effective teamwork and time management. Through collaboration and determination, the students learned one of life's greatest lessons: that success is best achieved when people work together with unity, responsibility, and purpose.
Jollof rice, we didn't have enough ingredients and we didn't have enough things to use to blend the pepper, things like that.
So how did you now manage that situation, please?
We tried our best to utilize what we were given. So instead of blending the pepper and the tomato, we used the grater.
Okay, that's nice. So let's hear from the
major challenge we faced was lack of resources, in the sense that some of the materials that would have really made the dish a spectacular one were not available. Able to improvise with the materials that we had, made some alliances with other groups, exchanged some materials, and was able to come together with the dish.
While preparing this dish, firstly, we did not have any ingredients at all. So before we finally got our ingredients, every other group had already started their dish. That was the first problem. The second problem was that our stove wasn't coming on. So we were trying to make it work, but then eventually it came on.
We have 3 positions now remaining: first, second, and third. So I want to start with that of the second position. So when I announce the first position, you know who came third. But the first position is no other group than Group 5.
And as night slowly fell across the camp, another unforgettable experience awaited the students under the calm evening sky and surrounded by the peaceful atmosphere of the outdoors. The students assembled their tents and prepared for the night. The camp came alive with a spirit of adventure as teammates worked together to secure their tents, organize their camp spaces, and prepare for life in the wilderness. Later that night, the students settled into their tents beneath the stars, embracing the true outdoor expedition experience. It was more than just sleeping outdoors. It was a moment of independence, a moment of bonding, and a moment of growth. Away from the comfort of home, the students learned adaptability, responsibility, courage, and the importance of teamwork, even in the simplest tasks. At Trinity International College, education goes beyond the 4 walls of the classroom. The school remains committed to raising confident, disciplined, globally minded, and purpose-driven students equipped with the knowledge, leadership skills, and real-life experiences needed to thrive in an ever-changing world. The journey continues.